Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, my name is Jeffrey Junanto and I'm a student in State Institute Islamic of Kerinci. I'm first semester now and I have a task that is to explain about trigonometry to you in English, guys. Well, I hope you will understand about it. But before we start our lesson today, I would like to glorify to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and salutation of peace for Nabi Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and for the people who follow him in the right religion. Well, let's get started our lesson for today. Our lesson for today is trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the study about measure of angles. So, if you have right angles, you can know about two things. The first is the length of side. What are they? They are A, B, and C. Those are the lengths of the side. And then the second is the measure of acute sides. What are they? They are A and B. That is the measure of acute side. Okay, till now, do you understand? If you have a questions, you can ask in comment. Okay, we'll go to the next lesson. Okay, now in trigonometry, you have to know about three things. What are they? They are the hypotenuse, opposite, and the adjacent. Well, we will start from the hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse is the side who will be always the largest side. For example, we can see in this right angle, we can know which one is the largest side. Yeah, that's right. C is the largest side. So it means C is the hypotenuse. And then the second is the opposite. What's the opposite? The opposite is the side who across from the angle that you are considering. For example, I consider angle A. So it means A at here is the opposite. Because A across from the angle A. And then the third is the adjacent. The adjacent is the side next by the angle that you are considering. Like here, I consider A, angle A, and side next by angle A is B. So it means B is the adjacent. Okay, we will go to the next lesson. Okay, in trigonometry, you have to know some forms. There are 6 forms. Start from sin. Sin is opposite over hypotenuse. As we know, in this right angle, the opposite is A and the hypotenuse is C. So sin is A over C. And cosec, or we always say cosecant, is hypotenuse over opposite. It will like reverse from sin. So, and then cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is B and hypotenuse is C. So cos is B over C. And for secant is also reverse from cos. And then tan is opposite over adjacent. Opposite is A and adjacent is B. So tan is A over B, and cotan or cot is reverse from tan. Do you understand? Okay, in trigonometry, there are periodicity and continuance. And the first is periodicity. Sin and cosine will have the period 2 phi, or we can say 360 degrees. And for tan and cotan, they will have period 1 phi, or just phi, that is 180 degrees. 360 degrees is a circle and 180 degrees is a half circle. Okay, next is continent. In trigonometry, it has 4 continents. First continent, second continent, third continent, and fourth continent. At the first continent, all function will have positive values. All. And the second continent, just sin and cosecant will have positive values. Sin and cosecant. And in the third continent, just tan and cotangent will have positive values. And then in the fourth continent, it is cos and secant we will have positive values. Second. Okay, so what is continent? Continent is start from 0 till 360 degrees. So in the first continent is from 0 till 90 degrees. And the second continent is 90 degrees till 180 degrees. And the third continent is from, this one, this third, and this fourth. Third continent is from 180 degrees till 270 degrees. And the fourth continent is from 270 degrees till 360 degrees. Okay, we will go to the next lesson. In trigonometry, we have to know some formula. There are 3 formula that we have to know. The first is sin A plus B in bracket equals sin A times cos B plus cos A times sin B. And the second is cos A minus B in bracket equal cos A times cos B minus sin A times sin B. And the third is tan A plus B in bracket equal tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A times tan B in bracket. Okay, that's all about our materials for today, and I hope you guys will understand about it. If you don't understand about something, you can ask in comment, because there is a video I cannot answer all of your questions. I will answer in the next lesson. So that's all from me. I'm Jeffrey. Back to you, and let's say Alhamdulillah together. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.